Hello crafties and welcome to Crafty Lifestyle. In today's video, I will be showing you some cutting knives that I had ordered from China. Actually from AliExpress and eBay to be exact. And these cutting knives are more for like Christmas and Thanksgiving. And so I want to share with you how they look, their size, and also to share with you some of the things that I'm working on. That way you can get some ideas. Okay, and so let's get started. Crafties, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, please. And also, please leave me a comment. Please tell me if you like this video or what would you suggest. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the first one. And so I ordered this snow glove. It is really nice. I didn't separate it, like it's all stick together. Really elegant, really good size. And here's my cutting mat. The measurement is about 4.5 by 3 inches. And here's what I made. I made this front of the cart. Is not finished yet, but I want you to see the detail. Really nice, really versatile. I will try to look for links for everything that I find. I will add the links to the products to either AliExpress or eBay on the description of this video, okay? Okay, so let's move on to the second one. I was a little bit disappointed when I received this cutting knife. It's kind of like a candy box, but I have seen many videos on YouTube and they always show it like to be twice the size as this or more. The measurement, so once it's finished, like made, it is so tiny. The thing is that maybe I'm wrong, but I like this now. I like it a lot because I've been thinking of a lot of things that I could use it for. I was thinking of you know, maybe some small chocolate you can put like to decorate during Christmas or Thanksgiving, little treats inside, and then just put a bunch of these little boxes with treats on a plate in the middle of your table. So this is really cute, but it is really tiny, so not many things can go in there. Just like little candy, but I mean, it's up to you if you want the bigger one or the small one. This is tiny but cute. You can also put it like inside stockings. Really cute. Some jewelry can go inside also. So it's cute. Okay, let's move on to the next one. And so for the next one, I made a card using these two cutting knives. I really love this dice because I went ahead and made a dimensional card. Let me get it up close to show you the details inside. Let's see if you can see from. So it's really cute. Different. I love snowflakes. It's probably why I love this light so much. And it is really easy to make. I will show you how to in the next video. Okay, and these are the dice. For this one, I think I have the link. They were still available. Okay, Oh my god, this one, I'm in love with this die. This is a small envelope punch board. I'm sorry, not punch board, cutting die. And they make these really cute envelopes. They're awesome, and they're perfect for gift cards. They fit perfectly. They're really cute. Sometimes you're not ready to like if they didn't give you an invitation in advance, or you just didn't feel like buying a present and you just want to give them a bill or a check or a gift card. This is the perfect thing to buy, and they're really cute. Let me show you the size. You know what? I forgot to give you the size for the other ones. But on this one, it's around 4.5 by 5 inches. And let me show you the size for the other ones. I'm sorry, I forgot. On this one, less than, like around 4 by almost 5 inches. Okay, on the next one, this one is so cute. It's a mag, and it comes with the marshmallows, the whipped cream. Really cute. And then also, if you want to use a steam, so I made this. I'm planning on using this as tags for presents. So really cute. Let me get it up close. Ah, there. Okay, the next one, the word joy. Oh, the size for this one. This one isn't that big. Coffee mug, around 1.5 by 1. A little bit over 1. The word joy, 2 inches by 4.5, more or less. This one, great to embellish any of your cards. Really pretty. Oops. Okay, and then I also found this Christmas bells. The size is a little bit over, well, it's actually 2.5 by 2.5, more or less. And this is what I created. I made them in gold. I'm just using this paper just to show you how they would look on a project or a card. Really pretty. Oh, I really like this stockings. And this is a set. One of them comes plain. The other one comes like this. But I went ahead and layered them. Really pretty. Oh, let me show you this. I purchased from AliExpress this wooden hearts that says made with love, and they're adorable. I really love them because you can add them to any project and they look so cute. Ah, I'm sorry, right there. I'm not sure. It looks like 50 or 100. Probably 50 pieces come in the bag. And then I also received another die that got me a little bit upset. I had purchased this die previously, but I said when I purchased it originally, it was for about around $450 US dollars, and I saw it on eBay for $2, only $2, and I said, well, it doesn't hurt to have two. But then when I received this is a tiny box, so tiny that when it is cut out, look at the size. What can you fit in here? I got really upset when I first saw it. 1 inch. This is funny. But then I was like, oh no, you could actually use this for many things. I was thinking, the first thing that came to my mind, because I love to give earrings for Christmas, and so a pair of earrings fit here perfectly. And sometimes I like to make, like, I give one gift, but inside the bag or the box I actually put multiple stuff, sometimes really tiny, like necklaces or earrings. And so for those cases, this is perfect. Or I was also thinking for an advent calendar, you can put little notes right here, or just tiny stuff. And also, I guess the best idea that I could think of is when, let's say you have a baby shower, and you know, sometimes on the games or a raffle, this is like perfect. So now I like this box a lot, but I have the bigger one. I wish I could find a bigger one than my bigger one, than my biggest one. But it is really tiny. Okay, and so I got more stuff to show you. I also found these tools. These tools are awesome. I found them on eBay, and they're actually to score, or like on the tiny flowers, because I have received some flowers that are so tiny. So this is perfect, like, to mold them. But then I have my my scoring board, and I got my bone folder that it comes with. My problem is that when I score, my scoring board, my scoring knife or bone folder is kind of thick. So when I fold the paper, it doesn't seem like the results aren't perfect. They and I feel it's because of the width of my bone folder. And so this is perfect because they have different sizes. 5 pieces on a pack. But look at this tiny tip. They have different sizes, and so it makes it so cool, or perfect. It helps you to get a perfect fold. I'm sorry if you hear my son screaming. He gets excited when watching TV. And so I'm gonna also place a link to these tools. So if you need them, you know you can find them quick. Oh, I got more stuff to show you. Well, also from eBay, I purchased my stamp. They're coming all the way from Malaysia. So from far away. It took about a month to get to my house. Last but not least, a little project that I've been working on, because I purchased some jerky dice. So this cutting dice make a turkey, which is this one. I love it. It is really cute. But I have been working on some utensil rings for Thanksgiving dinner to put on my plate settings. It is simple, but really cute. I just added some bling to it. But it is really cute. Just to give you one more idea. I think that's it. I want to thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I will see you soon. And God bless you. Bye-bye.